Hey guys, welcome back to Tech Learners. In this video, we'll be learning about CSS, colors and fonts. If you have not accessed the playlist yet, go and access it. I'll provide the link in the description box. So let's get started.
A jolt and then you'll die.
Hey guys, so let's start. I'll open my VS Code. And my VS Code has been opened. I'll select the folder and create a new file called colors and fonts.html, and I'll put the border plate and name as colors and fonts, and I'll put the h1 tag called this is colors and fonts tutorial. What would happen? Tutorial, and I'll give a ID called tut, and you can also use external CSS by using link colon CSS, and you can write the name, but I don't want to use external CSS for now, so I'll use the style tag, and I'll target it, and I'll target this line using the ID using hash, and I'll write the ID tut. If you are using class here, class tutorial, if you are using the class, you should be using dot, and you can write the name, but now I'm using ID. I'll use tut, and I'll give a color red and save it and start my live server. Yeah, as you can see that this text is in red color now. I'll zoom this page too, and I'll toggle the word wrap. So this is about colors. You can also use color picker. Just hover your cursor on it and select. Yeah, I'll go to green and save it. Yeah. You can use many colors. You will not get this feature in Sublime text. So I am in my Sublime text. I'll put HTML and something body h1 ID high 1 hit. I'll give hit high, and I'll use a style tag. Style tag, and I'll target it HIT, and I'll give color. You cannot get color picker here. You can write the random color, but if I hover on it also you will not get. So VS Code makes our text more easier. I'm using VS Code now. Yeah. So this is about colors. So let us talk about fonts. To use fonts, you should be using font family, and you can select anything and select cursive and save it. So there is a change in this font. There's a change in this font. I will name it another family. I'll use serif. I don't know what serif means. Oh, the text didn't get changed, but why? So to get more font, you should open your browser and type Google Fonts and press enter and go to the first link, Google Fonts, and you can write something text here. I'll open my VS Code and copy this text. I'll copy and paste here. Type something. Oh, you can select any of these fonts. I like this font. So select just there are lots of fonts here. I like the last one. Just click select style, and if you get a menu that pops up, you can go directly, or else you just click it. I'll zoom it. I'll go to my normal and click this button and go to embedded. Then you should copy this link and paste the link inside your head tag, and you should copy this. You should copy this and paste inside the ID, and say I'll save it. Oh, what had happened? Yeah, I refreshed my page. As you can see here that this text is in cursive. So this is about fonts. So you can also use font size, and you can write any of the 78 pixels. Oh, now this font is bolder and bigger. You can also change it. I will change to 2 pixel and save it. Oh, this text is very small. So this is 2 pixel, and I write 10 VW and open my browser. Yeah, this is big. So this is about font size. You can also use font weight. Font weight 100. Yeah. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section. So bye bye.